Hi, my name is Vivek. I'm working with Essar Metals and Mining as a general manager, and I am in the project management team. And today's session, I would like to talk about. It was very informative. We learned about various tools, AI tools, which are coming nowadays. And as a profession, we should be always up to date with the technology. We learned a lot about ChatGPT, Runway, and there's a lot to the artistic side, but we can, as a ChatGPT, we can use in our professional lives as well.
Nice.
Hello, my name is Mohammed Rizwan. I'm a part of Essar Metals and Mining, acting as a Vice President into projects development and execution. Now, this particular session for ChatGPT is an eye-opener for me, and you could learn that what help and support that we can take from ChatGPT into a working atmosphere as well as in person also. So I'm really happy to have this session and look forward to having more such sessions. Thank you.
Well, my name is Shama Kushari, and I'm with the Essar Metals and Mining, Vice President of Project Development. Session was very informative and utilitarian. Personally speaking, I could bring this to my daily work. I came in here very confused, but I'm going with all confusions clear. Thank you.